X is an invalid keyword argument for this function. I'm trying to write something that checks if an integer, z, is within the bounds of x and y, x being the minimum number, y being the maximum. I do this by checking if z is less than the minimum number or more than the maximum number. If either of those are true, it returns invalid, else it confirms it. The maximum, minimum, and number to check values are determined by raw_input. Here's the code. I can enter the x value fine, but when I try to enter the y value, I get this error. I don't know what I'm doing wrong and I've asked elsewhere without answer.
In place of this, try this. Similarly for the other input statements. Built-in Python function raw_input reads a line from input, converts it to a string. In order for you to use the input as an integer, you need to convert the string to int with the help of the int function, which converts a string or number to a plain integer. From your code it looks like you had the basic idea, but your syntax was a bit tangled up.
Unlike in C, Python assignment statements can't be used as expressions in arguments. For example, the following simply isn't legal, and will result in a syntax error. The reason you are receiving a type error instead of a syntax error, in this case, is because of Python's keyword argument feature. Python allows you to pass named arguments to functions in the form, foo arg1 equals 0, second underscore argument equals hello. Thus the interpreter thinks that this is what you're trying to do. The error message you're receiving is the result of the Python interpreter thinking that you are passing a keyword argument to int. Int, of course, does not take the keyword argument x, or y or z for that matter, hence the error. This is what you should do instead.
If you ever want a shorter version, try this. It works the same as your on Beasley's version.
Try this. This is the output.
Si you want to say more, please consider subscribing.